How to fix the issue where your PS5 controller keeps drifting to the left. Now, this issue occurs when you get a buildup of dirt and debris around these analog sticks here. Now, in order to go and fix this, there's a couple of things we can do. So the first thing is you just want to start rotating these all the way around to the right hand side like this, and you need to do this for around about 30 seconds. Now, hopefully doing this will break up any dirt that may be stuck inside of these sticks, and once you've done it for 30 seconds one way, you need to go and rotate them around the other way as well, and just make sure you're going right to the end when you do these rotations, and we're just going to do this 30 seconds the other way too. Now, you can also use a cloth or your finger to try and pick out any dust that may have accumulated in these sticks. You can basically pull the analog stick over to one side, and then while doing this, it kind of gives you a gap to try and remove any dust. Now, if it's still not working, you can try rotating the sticks up and down, and you can do this also consistently for around about 30 seconds. Another thing that you can try doing is pushing both of the analog sticks inwards, and once they're pressed down, we're then going to rotate them to the left and the right as well. Again, you can do this for around about 30 seconds. Now, the last thing that actually worked for me is just try blowing in between the holes of these analog sticks, and that can sometimes also get rid of any dust that may be stuck in here. So that's how to stop your PS5 controller drifting to the left and the right. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.